Don't mess with a young scientist. Jessica loves chemistry and LOL dolls. She made a whole pencil case out of a capsule. Attach printed LOL stickers to glittery foam paper. Cut them out. Add hearts and stars. Attach the stickers onto an empty LOL capsule. Add a string of sequins to be a handle. What a nice pencil case! Oh, Jessica, look! Your chemical agent ran away. Where? No, don't do it! Too late! I wonder what's inside. Oh, it's a little LOL doll in a white lab coat. Make a cutout from white fabric. Sew a robe. Attach a label with glittery foam paper edges to the back. Sew on a button at the front. Look, it looks exactly like you. You must admit that this experiment was a success. Miss Smith stops the girls' chemical fight. Come on, give me this test tube right now. Whoops! What have we done? Miss Smith turned into a baby.
LOL dolls are exactly what I want. I'm canceling classes. Everyone, go play.
We need to bring Miss Smith and her true age back. Do something! Here, I have nice pencils. You don't like them? Then we'll turn them into LOL pencils. Sharpen a colored pencil until you get to the lead. Cut off a part of it. Wrap it in decorative tape. Shape a tiny pencil. And add a heart. And we'll put the pencils into a miniature stand. Wrap a tiny jar in decorative tape and decorate with a heart. Done! Let's go see Baby Smith. Look at these adorable pencils! You can score our tests with them and write grades, just the way you like it. But Baby Smith only loves LOL dolls now. No studying anymore. This is no joke. We'll have to teach Miss Smith from the very beginning. Let's start with math, but she isn't interested in it. Then we'll give her a mini LOL sketchbook. Fold paper and cut it into rectangles. Sew the mini sheets into a sketchbook. Wrap in a cardboard cover and cover with reverse sequin fabric. Decorate with a bow. Baby Smith really likes the sketchbook, and she loves numbers again. That's at least one victory. Time to test her writing skills. Baby Smith is anxious. All her letters turned out crooked.
I want my letters to be beautiful.
There's no need to be so nervous. Here, take this LOL whiteout. It'll save you from mistakes. Cut off a little piece of a straw. Pour a drop of hot glue onto parchment paper and stick in the straw. Cut off the excess glue. Attach a little makeup brush into a cake candle holder. Pour white acrylic paint into the straw. Cover it with the brush and the cap on top. Attach a label that says LOL Correction Fluid.
Yay! My LOL whiteout will protect me from mistakes.
How can we distract Baby Smith from games? We need to come up with something. Regular school supplies won't be enough. But we can make it smaller so it would be the perfect size for a doll. Cut an IV controller with a heated utility knife. Take out the inside circle. Cut tape and wrap it around the circle. Put it back into the stand. Put a cardboard tape blade into the holder. Decorate the holder with patterned paper. Everyone is super busy. There are tape, scissors, and glue here. There is a whole school supply shrinking operation going on in here. We wonder how it will turn out. Cut the wire part of a plastic pipette. Apply hot glue onto parchment paper and place the plastic cylinder on top. Cut off the excess. Poke a hole in the center using an awl. Cover the other side with hot glue too. Add glitter and a drop of food coloring to clear Elmer's glue. Fill a syringe with it and pour it into our tiny tube. Cut the end of the pipette, wrap it in a foam paper strip, and fasten it to the hole as the tip of the tube. Attach a little printed LOL Elmer's label to it. And here's the result, mini glue and mini tape. Oh, pink glue is so cute! And teeny tape? Let's use it! This is so much fun! But we will have to give these adorable school supplies to Baby Smith. The girls are on the verge of a nervous breakdown. Who will teach us? How will we explain this to our parents? But Baby Smith is super calm. She took out her LOL Play-Doh and she's happy to just play with it. Cut the extra details off little paint containers. Attach mini Play-Doh stickers to them. Cut a cap out of sparkly foam paper. Put a little piece of Play-Doh into the pot. Play-Doh is so relaxing. Hold on, what's this? Mini Play-Doh? Can we try it too? Wow! We forgot that playing around can be so much fun. Play-Doh can calm anyone down. Baby Smith noticed a test tube set.
What happens if you drop chemical agents on this?
Make holes with a hole puncher and a rectangular piece of foam board. Construct 2 pieces. Prick 4 holes in the corners using an awl. Put toothpicks into them to be legs. Cut off the excess and stick the other piece into the legs. Color the stand with acrylic paint. Cut syringe caps and place them into the stand. These are mini test tubes.
Ooh, they got smaller. They will fit perfectly into my LOL lab.
But safety is a priority in this lab. Don't forget about glasses and a lab coat. There you go. Baby Smith already got little glasses for her LOL scientist. Take a plastic ring from a bottle cap. Cut lenses for sunglasses out of a yellow plastic folder. Attach it to the ring. Decorate with sparkly foam paper. Don't play with chemical agents! No more experiments like this!
My LOL lab needs a table. All these books aren't enough.
Hang on a minute. I know how to help you out. Cut chopsticks into parts. They'll be the legs of the table. Attach them to a rectangular piece of acrylic glass. Our doll lab table is all done. Now all our experiments will be successful. We just have to set up an LOL microscope for scientific purposes. Cut a microscope base out of metallic foam board. Attach a clear magnet base to it. Glue a sprayer tip near it. Attach a sprayer cap to an IV controller. Cut a thin straw at an angle and attach a few parts to the cap. Fasten the controller to the sprayer tip. Color the details with acrylic paint. Attach stars. These are controlling handles.
Whoa! My LOL has been dreaming about a lab like this her whole life. Now she'll be able to make big LOL discoveries.
She decided to try one more experiment. Wow! Miss Smith, you are back? Did you like our LOL school supplies? Then comment below what school supplies you'd make for your dolls. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new LOL ideas from Troom.